Hello everyone, Elsie here. Welcome back again to my channel. And yes, it's been a long time since I did a room installation tutorial here on my channel, because lately I am uploading a Mobile Legends gameplay, and not just a gameplay guys, but behind those gameplays are the custom room I use, which is the THEREALROM A7 version 6. It's very smooth with the Ares kernel version 5 on top of that room, and that makes me the device more smooth. It gives me 4 to 6 gaming per day, and yeah, honestly the battery on that room is not that good, but let's just keep that at the back, because today I'm going to flash the gaming room, which is the Klaxosaur gaming by Gonic, and this is supported by the real motor. So first step guys is you need to reboot your phone into recovery by pressing the power button. See the video guys? By pressing the power button, volume up, and home button at the same time. And then you just wait until the recovery display here. It could either be a TWRP or Orange Fox, but today I'm going to use the Orange Fox recovery because this is the most stable recovery so far for G7 Prime. And after booting the recovery guys, go to the wipe option and click all of this. There'll be cache, system, vendor data, and internal storage, and then wipe. And then after successful wiping guys, go through the format data and type yes. So this, what I'm doing guys, is a clean flash. You need to clean flash guys because you are going to flash another room. And then after that guys, you need to look your system partition in manage partitions. We need here a size of 3967 megabytes, or mostly 4 gigabytes, something like that. But in order for you guys to get that high size of system partition, you need to flash the universal repartitioner zip. And then after that, checking your system partition, you need to copy the two files, the create vendor 2.0 and the Klaxosaur gaming room, from your computer into your phone. Transfer that via USB cable. So now that we're now done copying all the files, and let's flash first the create vendor 2.0. And guys, all the links used in this video are linked in my description box. So after flashing the create vendor 2.0, you need to reboot your device into recovery again. So now we're rebooting into recovery, and then the next and the final zip is the room itself. We need to flash the room and wait until the aroma installer is popping out. Like here, this is the aroma installer guys. Whether the room uses the aroma installer or not, that could either be a room. And then here guys is you can select your own according to your needs. I'm not against that guys. I'm not against that because we have different the way we customize our phone. We have a different things like that. So here I'm just going to choose the navigation bar and the VoLTE related to, and also the game plugins. I select the VoLTE related guys because I will try if the VoLTE is working in this device or not, but here in the Philippines I don't think the VoLTE is working. and then finish. So until after finishing that, guys, it will installing all of your selected features and bloatwares here. You can select say in the video, but wait a minute, guys. I'm just going to say thank you all the person behind this project. Special mention to Gonic for this room, and the real mother for porting this room into the G7 Prime series, and also Astrako for the creative vendor, and Jesser, I think a lot more, Soul Reaper. I will put all the names here on the screen, guys. Thank you so much for making the G7 Prime still alive until today. Thank you for making a lot of rooms and also a lot of custom rooms, modifications. I will credit it into you guys. Thank you so much for making good rooms in our old device. Yeah, and that's all. You just need to wait until the installation is success. So you just need to need until the percent here goes to 100% or something. So again, all the links used in this video, guys, are linked in my description box. You can check it out and download via your computer. I will suggest download via computer and have a try this room into your G7 Prime. Don't forget to flash the universal repartitioner for the bigger system size, and the create vendor 2.0, and also the room. Alright, guys, so now we're done flushing the zips, and also we're done setting the room, and now we will now head into what's inside in this room, what will be the features of this room, and also the bugs in this room. So let's get started with the lock screen. So this is not the lock screen, guys, of the Klaxosaur gaming room. Here is the wallpaper, and same as usual. Now this is now the main menu of the room, and then actually, guys, this is now the bloatware of the Klaxosaur gaming room, which is the calculator, camera, clock, contacts, Galaxy Store, gallery, messages, my files, phone, Play Store, and the settings. And also, guys, there is a navigation bar in the bottom, and you can always not exactly disable, but it will turn into a gesture or something like that. And now we will head into the settings and head about a phone. Here you go. Name is Klaxosaur, or correct me if I'm mistakenly pronounced the word. And let's go into this software information. So this room, guys, is based on One UI 2.1 Android version 10, and the kernel version of this room is the RS kernel version 7 G610X triple. And the Android security patch level of this room, guys, is July 1, 2020. And we will go into the battery information. The battery information display here 3000 mAh, but we all know that G7 Prime is 3300 mAh, so I think this is a bug, considered a bug or something like that. And then we'll head into advanced features. So this room, guys, it has no game launcher included. There is no game launcher in this room. And let's head into the connection. So actually, guys, Wi-Fi is working in this room, and also the Bluetooth is working, and both SIM card actually is detected, but I have a only SIM one here. And we'll now go into the sound of this room. Let's try if the sound is working. Okay, so the sound is working, guys. The sound is working in this room. It's really loud and clear. And let's head into the display. Here there is a light or dark mode. Let's see. Yeah, the dark mode is working. And this is where you can semi disable the navigation bar in the bottom. Just select the full gesture. I think you all know that how to do that, guys. So let's head now into the notification panel. Here you go. There are Wi-Fi, sound, Bluetooth. They're all working anyways. And the most amazingly feature here, guys, is the blue light filter. It is working, guys. This is the first room I tried that blue light filter is working, because I tried a lot of One UI rooms or One UI based custom rooms, guys, but those rooms are not working. Their blue light filter is not working, but the Klaxosaur gaming room is really good. The blue light filter is working here, and there's also a dark mode and a Dolby Atmos, and also there is a screen recording here in this room. So it's gonna disable the blue light filter, and the hotspot actually is here. So let's gonna turn the hotspot if it is working or not. Yeah, the mobile hotspot in this room, guys, is working. Let's see here in the phone if it is working. Yeah, messages, and also the Play Store. The camera, though, I think the camera is working. Yeah, the camera is working. Yeah, guys, the camera is really working, something like that. And let's find a bug in this room anyways. So we will now try the brightness of this room. Okay, so the bug in this room, guys, is the brightness. Please don't set the brightness into 0, because it will give you a total black screen. Just for example, like this here, you will get a black screen if you set the brightness into 0. Please avoid setting the brightness into 0, guys. And I think that's the only bug I face in this room. Anyways, I can say that that is only the bug I experienced, because I used this room a while ago, I think 2 days ago, and I'm just reflashing it for you guys to know. And let's try the file manager here if it is working. So yeah, I have no SD card, so SD cards is not detected. And yeah, my files or the file manager is working in this room. But anyway, guys, I would just like to say thank you all the people in the XN70 870 community behind this project, behind this room. To Gonic, thank you so much, and the Real Motor for porting this room, and also Astrako and an Anjesser, and a lot more people in the Exynos 7870. Thank you so much for making the G7 Prime still alive until today. So all the links I use in this video, guys, are linked in my description. You can check it out and download and then try it in your Samsung Galaxy G7 Prime. Wow, the room, guys, is very smooth. Look. And finally, we will see what the RAM management in this room, guys. We will check. Oh, memory average is 1.6. That is a free RAM. Amazing. It's clearly good. See? RAM management is really good in this room. And also the battery here. So I will update you guys about the gaming performance of this room, because later on I will install a game just like Mobile Legends, and I will upload a Mobile Legends gameplay later on as soon as possible, and I will update what will be the performance in this room. So that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you next video, and don't forget to give a thumbs up if you in this video if you like this video, and don't forget to comment suggestions, and also share this video in social media platform, and you can also subscribe my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell for you to be updated whenever I upload a new video. So see you next video, guys. Bye bye.